Have you ever looked up at the sky and seen a group of big birds flying in a V shape? It looks beautiful. It looks organized. But did you know they are actually saving energy using smart science? This is not random. This is physics in action. Flying takes a lot of energy. When a bird flies alone, it has to flap its wings and push air downward to stay in the air. Pushing air down helps the bird lift up. But there is a problem. At the tips of the wings, the air starts to spin and form small whirlwinds. These spinning air currents create resistance. This resistance pulls the bird backward and makes flying harder. So the bird has to use more energy. Over long distances, like thousands of kilometers, this can be very tiring. We often think the sky is empty, but air behaves like a fluid. When a bird flies, it leaves moving air behind it. Some air goes down, but some air rises up at the sides. This rising air is very important. When birds fly in a V shape, they are not just following the leader. Each bird flies slightly behind and to the side of the bird in front. Why? Because in that position, the bird can catch the rising air created by the wings of the bird ahead. This rising air gives a small lift, like a free boost. Because of this boost, the bird does not have to flap as hard. It saves energy. Less effort, less tiredness, more distance. Scientists have found that birds can save around 10 to 20% of their energy by flying this way. That is a huge difference during long journeys. Here's something even more amazing. Birds often flap their wings in rhythm with each other. They time their wing beats carefully so they can use the rising air at the perfect moment. It's like riding a wave in the sky. If the timing is right, they get the most benefit. The bird at the front works the hardest. It does not get help from anyone. So what do? They take turns. When the leader gets tired, it moves back, and another bird comes to the front. This way, everyone shares the hard work. It is teamwork in the sky. By flying in a V shape, birds can save energy, lower their heart rate, fly longer distances, survive long migrations. This small shape makes a big difference. So next time you see birds flying in a V, remember, you are not just looking at a pretty pattern. You are watching smart science. You are watching teamwork. You are watching nature using physics to survive. This is everyday science, where simple things hide amazing secrets.